Ooh, this is very soft. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a try on, a swatch, and a review on the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Forever Dynamic Mesmerized palette. And it looks like this. With that being said, let's get started. So this palette is really cute because it's very small and it's also like a tin. And then of course this is the back if you guys want to read that. It has the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Forever Dynamic Mesmerized palette. It has 12 months, cruelty-free, vegan. 1, 3, 6, and 8 are pressed pigment. So it's like a little tin. It has a mirror here. It comes with a film protector, and it also comes with the eyeshadows here. This one right here is a glitter. The other ones are not. The other two that seem like they have glitter, it's kind of like a little bit of shimmer, but this one's the only glitter. This clear film has the names of the eyeshadows. This one is Mesmerized, Enticed, Hypnotized, Tempt, Enchant, Mystic, Amaze, and Devour. Ooh, this is very soft and this is Enticed, Hypnotized, Tempt, Enchanted, Mystic, Amaze, Devour. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Final rating. Out of 5, I give this palette a 4.5. Some of the colors didn't quite show up in my eyelids. I tried to build it up, I tried to do all of that, and it wasn't quite showing. Some other ones did, so that's why I kept it at the rating that I did. I really like the purple and I really like the glitter. It's really pretty. So my thing is that this one didn't show up well, and then this one and this one didn't show up well. The other ones did. The other ones did show up well, but the other ones that I pointed out to you guys did not. And I tried building it up in front of you guys and you guys saw. Also off camera, I tried to blend it in with another brush and it still didn't work. So I don't know if it's just my skin type. I don't know what's going on there. But they didn't show up on. I did like the formula, and I also like that they are very soft, especially when I was swatching them. They were super soft to the touch. It was like really nice. And also when I was applying it to my eyelids, very buttery, not rough. And when I say buttery, it's because it's not rough on the eyelids. I do like the silver eyeshadow, the glitter one, and the purple. I think those have to be my favorites from this palette. I also like that this palette is very convenient, very small. It reminds me of the other Revolution, the Ready Set Go one. It reminds me of the e.l.f. Bite Size palettes and the Revlon So Fierce palettes, that they are small. So you can put them inside your purse, your backpack, leave them at work, at your desk, in your car. If you have a bicycle, you can even put it in your little front caddy if you have one. And when I say caddy, it means your little basket. You can do a lot of things with these small eyeshadows, and they're very convenient. So in case you forget to do your makeup, you can do it in your car if somebody else is driving, of course. And you can also do it once you get to the place and retouch your makeup, do whatever you have to and not have to deal with those big size eyeshadows. So I like that this is very convenient. I also like that this is like a tin. The feeling of it is very smooth, very good. Like, it's lightweight, it's not heavy. I also like that they have a mirror in here. Will I be using this palette again? Yes. Do I recommend this palette? Yes, I do. Of course, it's your money, your time. If you guys want to go purchase it, it's on you. I'm just giving you my opinion on what I think about this eyeshadow product. And so far, I like it. The glitter is very loose, like super loose. If you get too much, you get too much and it goes all over your face. And it's hard to take off unless you have like a makeup remover or something, a cotton swab, and then just kind of like wipe it. But as you can tell, it dragged on all the way over here and I couldn't remove it. So it's gonna have to stay like that until I take off all my makeup. But it's cute. It seems like I put glitter down here intentionally when I didn't. It's just the fallout that didn't want to clean up right. It is very common to have fallout with any eyeshadow palette. Regardless of whether it's drugstore or high-end, any eyeshadow palette will have fallout. Their eyeshadows tend to have more fallout than the regular eyeshadows, and that's just because it's either loose or it's very creamy. And in this instance, it was very loose. Again, it's very beautiful, very pretty. I like this look. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.